Hello everyone. Today we will see how to make milk powder at home. To make the milk powder at home, I have taken 1 liter of milk. I am using Arvin Green packet, which is full fat milk. You can use skimmed milk also. Use whichever milk you use normally at home. Take the milk in a heavy bottomed pan and keep the flame on high and keep stirring till the milk reduces. It's important to keep the flame on high and keep stirring because it takes a very long time for the milk to reduce. So if you keep the flame at medium or low, it will take much longer. Keep stirring now and then so that the milk doesn't settle down at the bottom and stick to the base of the pan. Making the milk powder at home is very simple. It takes only 2 steps and 2 ingredients to make this milk powder, but it is a little time consuming. It took me about half an hour to 45 minutes for this milk to reduce completely. If you need only a little bit of milk powder to make a dessert like an ice cream or a kulfi, then buying the whole box of milk powder from the store might be a waste. At such times you can make your own milk powder. I made this milk powder during lockdown time. I could not get any milk powder from the store, so I decided to make my own batch of milk powder. This is after about 30 minutes. See, it started boiling nicely. Now if you can see, slowly it has started to separate from the pan. Keep stirring. As it becomes thicker and thicker, keep stirring. Don't leave it because at this stage it can stick very easily to your pan. My flame is still on high. And as you can see, it is separating more and more from the pan. When the milk gets thick like this, it has reduced nicely. So at this stage you can switch it off. See how nicely it's separating from the pan. At this point, switch off the gas. And then transfer this reduced milk to a plate. Make sure you spread this milk nicely because we are going to keep this to dry, and if you spread it to a thin layer, it will dry out very fast. If it's a thick layer, then it will take much longer to dry. Place this plate with the reduced milk in the sun for at least 1 day. If you keep it in the sun, it will dry out very fast. If you don't have good sunlight, then it might take longer than 1 day to dry. As the milk is drying, make sure you toss the milk solids around so that the base also gets dried very quickly. Now if you can see, this milk solid has dried nicely. It has to crumble in your hands. Till that point you have to dry it. Only then you will get a nice milk powder. After it has dried nicely, take a blender jar, a small mixie jar, and make sure the mixie is nice and dry. Transfer all the dried milk solids to the mixie jar. Close the mixie and blend it to make a fine powder. It should be like this, nice and powdered. So our milk powder is a little bit ready. We need to add just one more ingredient. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and blend this again. So this is it. Our milk powder, homemade milk powder is ready. At this point you can choose to sieve this milk powder. If you want it as smooth and soft as a store-bought milk powder, you can sieve it and store it, or you can use it as it is. This is also perfect. You can use this to make ice creams or kulfi gulab jamun, everything will come out perfectly with this. Let the milk powder be on a plate like this, spread it out and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes till it cools down. It might be a little hot after blending it in the mixer. Once it cools down, transfer it to a clean and dry bottle. It's actually very simple to make this milk powder. It takes only 2 ingredients and only 2 steps to make this powder at home. But of course it is time consuming. So now you can also make your own milk powder at home. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.